Performing flute budding. To perform this procedure, you will need the following tools and materials. A budding knife, raptic tape, or any available plastic tie. A rootstock with a healthy bud stick. And another rootstock. Identify the active growth part of the plant. This is usually found around the middle part of the stem where the green and brown bark meets. Make two horizontal cuts around the active growth part. Do this a circular motion, leaving at least 1/8 of the circle uncut. Scrape the bark off. There should be a narrow strip of the bark left on the stem. Select a healthy bud stick from one of the rootstock. Make the same circular cut around the identified bud stick. Remove the bark together with the bud. Attach the bud into the cut part of the other rootstock. The bud and the bark must cover the peeled area completely. Tie the union. Wrap the bud with a single layer of plastic to avoid water from coming in contact with the bud. Cut the upper part of the rootstock. Remove the tie when the bud starts to swell.